Actually, I just wanted to give you some details about the plant, because in the flow of the film it is not well focused, because we have focused on some other issues. The history of the plant is that the first two reactors started in somewhere in 1965. That is called the first phase of the Tarapur power plant, and then a second phase started in 2005. So you'll find these two references in between, and it should not confuse you. That's why I'm explaining. This is the first power plant, and it talks about the nuclear power, actual nuclear power. Okay, thank you. Thanks.
नेमकं आठवण येते. देलवाडीचा सरपंच शाळेला सुट्टी पडली की आम्ही सगळी मुलं देलवाडीला पळायचो. मी, मनोहर, संजू, मीनल आम्ही सगळे एकत्र जमलो की सगळी गावं पालखी पडायची. देलवाडी, आकरपट्टी, कोफरण, तारापूर, इथून पुढे उभारची किनारपट्टी. इथल्या गळीवरती एकेकाळी आम्ही मनसोक्त क्रिकेट खेळलो होतो. इथल्या गावागावात तेव्हा आमचे लहान मोठे मित्र होते.
1949 साली या लोकांनी आमच्या गावात जेव्हा सर्वे करायला गेले, हे सर्वे करत असताना आमचे लोक शेवटी त्यांच्याबरोबर म्हणजे मिटिंगा पण काढल्या. असे मिटिंगा करताना त्या लोकांनी नुसतं मिटिंगाच केलं आमच्याकडून, आणि तुम्हाला हे देऊ ते देऊ असंच करत राहिले हे लोक. आणि शेवटच्या टप्प्यापर्यंत येईपर्यंत आम्हाला तसंच या लोकांनी भिजवत ठेवलं. आणि लास्टला ज्या वेळेला आम्हाला समजलं की हे लोक आम्हाला इकडून काहीच देणार नाही, म्हणून आम्ही शेवटी संघर्षाच्या माध्यमातून नव्या सालापासून जी सुरुवात केली ती आज काळात आम्ही सुरुवात केली.
पण तरी तुम्ही तुमची गावं द्यायचा निर्णय कसा काय घेतला?
की एखाद्या समजा माणसावर कसा प्रभाव पडायचा ह्या अनुषंगाने ह्या लोकांनी गावावर असा प्रभाव ठेवला. आणि निश्चितपणाच्या बोलवले भाषेने लोक जरा अशा आम्ही सुद्धा म्हणजे बरी बघत की चल बाबा आपल्यासाठी सरकार आहे, हे शासन आहे, आपल्या दारात आलं, आपल्यासाठी काय नाही काहीतरी करणार.
बरं, मग पुढे काय झालं?
त्यांना आम्ही सगळं सांगितलं तुम्ही आम्हाला आमची जी काही सुविधा आहे ती द्या, आम्ही तसं गाव सोडवत नाही.
Almost one and a half year. Actually, shooting took almost 2 months. But before that, we were meeting these people, we were talking to these people, noting down the happenings there, the people who are dying or disease or something. So the talk took a long time actually.
See, Jaitapur nuclear power plant proposed that is supposed to take 5,200 crore liters of water every day. That amounts to 10 times of the water consumed by Mumbai city per day. You can assume the proportion, you can understand the proportion of water. Bombay, city of Mumbai consumes 430 crore liters of water every day, whereas Jaitapur project is going to use 5,200 crore liters of water per day. Okay, so that is the proportion of water that plant is going to use, and the same water will be discharged, will be taken out for cooling for the plant. 6 power plants are supposed to come up 1,600 megawatts capacity each. 9,900 megawatts will be the total capacity of that Jaitapur proposed power plant, which will be the highest power plant in the world upcoming that is proposed. Okay, so you can think about the quantum of radiation. These what do you call the cesium and radon gas and other things which will be expelled into the regular functioning of the plant, and so many people will be affected by that. If we just consider the effect of the cooling water, the government of India, before taking up this project, they have published a report by Environment Impact Assessment Report by NIRI.
No, what is your alternative? What is your alternative to nuclear energy? And the fact that the film offers a very, it's a one-sided view. Never approach anyone from the government and you didn't ask them. as to what their issues are, because we have another plant in Kudankulam also. When nuclear energy is a renewable form of energy, we're running out of energy here. America is fighting wars for oil. What is your alternative to nuclear energy?
Yeah, I'll come to that point. But what I always say, because I face this question every time, what I always say, first say no to nuclear, then we'll talk about the alternative.
No, that's not, we're not thinking about the future.
Yeah, I will come to. I'll answer your question very, very in a very detail. I'll answer your question,
second,
but
probably-
let talk more about the nuclear, and then we'll talk about the alternative. Yeah.
No, because he must have probably not seen all the movies that have been shown.
No.
Probably.
I won't blame. I'll answer his question.
You actually have
But
radiotherapy you're using.